Hello, it's Monday, the 22nd of June. It's already 4:15, so it's quite late and I haven't updated you yet because there wasn't nothing interesting to update you on because I was busy of doing and filming a mid-year book freakout tag. I edited a little bit, so nothing interesting happened besides that. I just came back from the kindergarten with Lucas and sat down just to chat a little bit with you about what I'm planning for this week. So this week I'm thinking of reading the Midsummer Dream at Mill Grange, I think that is the title. It's a review reader copy that I've got from NetGalley, and I have to write a review on July 14th, I think. So I want to read that. It's not interesting at the moment, so I have to force myself. So it's be like a job for me. But what can you do? I promise that I will write a review because I'm participating in the book blog tour, so I have no other choice than to write a review. So I have to do that. So I want to finish that book this week, and if some miracle happens, I want to start reading Please Look After Mother. I think the author is Korean, and I don't remember the surname. So these two books are my priority. Also, I will continue listening for Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I like that book a lot. For now, it's not 5 stars and it's not mind-blowing like most of the people think about that book, but I like it and I will definitely finish that book. What else? I hope to speak with you a little bit later if I read a book or something. I totally forgot that today is the mini magical readathon. It starts today and it's going to be all week. So I will try to participate in that one. It's very simple. We have a map here. And the rules are very, very simple. We begin here and we have to read a book with a map. And after that we just choose which way to go, what we want to visit, and that's how we can participate. So I told you that I will be reading Midsummer Dreams at Mill Grange, but that book doesn't grab my attention, so I will put that aside and will try to start my readathon with Night Film. I quickly scanned the pictures here in the book and found a very, very small Google map. So I will count this book for the Marauders map, read the book with the map. So after that I will leave the castle and I'm thinking of going to the place number 3. start a read with a cup of tea. So this will be perfect. I will make a cup of tea and start this book. So I will go to 2 places already, and also I think I can count this one for number 7. Read a horror or a thriller. So this one is definitely a thriller. So with one book I can visit at least 3 places, and because it's very long, very big book, I think I will read just this one. At least that is my plan for now. Hello, it's Tuesday and it's 8:30. Lucas woke up today with a huge cold, so he will be at home today, be with his mommy. So I'm making breakfast for him. He loves pasta, so maybe he will eat a little bit. He has a very blocked nose. Poor baby. I hope he begins to feel better. It sucks to be sick in the summer. And what about reading? I started reading Night Film by Marisha Pessl yesterday, like I said. I already read 25 pages, and it's very intriguing, the way that this book is written, how it used the articles from the magazines, or it makes the book even more entertaining. And the writing style, when you read it, it looks like there's nothing special, but when you read you feel a little bit spooked, if you know what I mean. So at the moment I like it a lot. Hello, it's 8 o'clock and I'm finally done with the day. Lucas is in bed. He felt quite good today, only now in the evening it's a little bit worse. I think when you have a cold it's always worse at the night time. I had so much plans today, especially reading wise, but didn't happen. I read only till page 56 of A Night Film by Marisha Pessl. I think you know already about this book, but if not, then it's a thriller about the journalist Scott McGrath, who tries to find out what happened with Ashley Cordova. She was found dead and it was ruled like suicide, but he thinks that it's not the case, and it's not the first time that he was involved with the Cordova family, and before that he ruined his career and his family life. So now he's trying once again to be involved. So question is if he don't lose his mind doing that. It's very interesting book, intriguing, but this book is one of those that you can't do something and come back to it, read a few pages and go do something again. You must read and concentrate on what you're reading, because it seems that everything is important for the story. You can't skip anything. That's why I didn't read that much today, because I wanted to be with Lucas. So now I'm going to upload my mid-year book freakout tag. Also, I will edit yesterday's and today's clips, and after that I think maybe, I don't know, I feel a little bit tired today, so I don't know how long I will be able to be awake. I just think that maybe I will watch 1 or 2 videos on YouTube, and after that read, or I just read. I don't know, I didn't decide it yet. So I think I won't update you more today, so I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, it's 8:30 and it's Wednesday. It's a very strange morning because Lucas and Aurmas are still in bed. They're still sleeping and I'm wide awake, so I'm not used to that. Usually I wake up with Lucas about 7, before 7, so now I have a little bit of time for myself to drink a coffee in peace. What about reading? Yesterday I read about 20 more pages of the Night Vale, and I don't know, at the moment seems like nothing is happening, so I got to the point where it's beginning to be a little bit boring, but it's just the beginning, so my hopes are that maybe everything soon will pick up. Fingers crossed, because I don't know what happened to me with physical books, but this month it's very hard for me to just pick up a book and read. Maybe I'm in a little bit of a reading slump, so I have to find a book that can help me battle that. Yeah, and today we will be home with Lucas. He slept quite well at night, didn't wake up, so I hope that the cold will go away soon. I like how she uses sentences like that. It was easy to imagine 2 gorgeous teenagers finding each other in the wilderness of adolescence, 2 orchids blooming in a desert. I just came outside and I'm trying to film this clip, I don't know, maybe 4th time. My camera is just turns off by itself. What I was trying to say is that I read about 10 pages of this book and the interest is fluctuates because at one part it's quite boring and you have to drag yourself through that. Other parts are much more interesting, but I can't say that it's hard to read it. I'm already on page 76, so
Mama,
yeah.
I got candy. Mama, and my shoes.
Also, I don't know how many pages I will read now because I'm with Lucas and he's very active kid, so it's hard to just sit down and read a book. I'm always entertained, or I should say that I have to entertain him a lot. Yeah, like that.
Mama,
You can see how my life is.
one,
One,
two,
two,
one,
one,
two.
two. Yeah.
Oh, shoes. I can't.
Two shoes.
Yeah.
He's very interesting, you know. We are Lithuanians, but we live in Norway. However, he talks a little bit of Lithuanian, a little bit of Norwegian. Also, he started to speak English. So sometimes he tries to say the sentence, but in one sentence there are all three languages at the same time. So it's quite hard to understand sometimes him, but we're trying.
The shoes.
I will read a few pages and I think I will talk to you a little bit later. Good morning. It's not the morning, it's already 12 and it's Thursday. I'm cleaning my house at the moment, so it will be a quick update. My husband and son are just coming back from the shops, and after that Armas will go to work and I will be home with Lucas once again. Yesterday I read quite a lot of night film and now I'm very intrigued and spooked. That book has something about it that it feels uncomfortable to be alone at the times, so I enjoy it a lot. I don't give up. I still try to read a little bit in the daytime when I'm alone with Lucas. He's playing a little bit here, if you can see him. And I'm sitting on the stairs and maybe it will be possible for me to read 1 or 2 pages. So I like sentences like that. Secrets even hardened criminals. They were just air pockets lodged under debris at the bottom of an ocean. It might take an earthquake or you scuba diving down there, sifting through the sludge, but their natural proclivity was always to head straight to the surface, to get out. I like to write quotes like this in my separate quotes journal. Hello, it's Friday and it's already 1 o'clock. We just came back from the city and it's not the greatest of days today. Nothing is going according to plan, so we just try to relax and take it easy. And yesterday came my new bookshelves, so now we are trying to assemble them. So I will try to film some clips. the air conditioning. It's extremely hot today, so everything is turned off and try to cool down a little bit. So as you can see, my shelves are done. So now I will go and get my books and try to organize a little. As you can see, I have a lot of Harry Potter books. I want to say that I know about J.K. Rowling. I don't understand people who agree with her. Trans women are women, and that's period. There can't be any other way. For now it is the final result. As you can see, there are a lot of space for other books, but I just wanted to get them off the ground and put in the shelves. Through the time I will change a little bit, I think, everything, but for now it will do. I'm very happy. Everything looks amazing, in my opinion. Hello! It's half past 7 in the evening, and it's still 30 degrees Celsius outside, so it's just hell, to be honest, today. Absolutely impossible to be inside or outside. It's just madness. So we were in and try to not move that much. Yeah, I haven't read today almost at all, maybe a few pages. Wasn't the greatest of days. I don't know, this month is just a little bit crazy, so, but it's okay. I think we will manage. Yeah, so in the evening we moved our furniture a little bit. We had Armas had a table, and I had a table in our bedroom, so it was a little bit too much there. So Armas moved his table down here. I think it looks quite good. And I moved my table into the, if I can show you, I moved my table to my new library. I think it looks much better there instead of a bedroom here. Sorry if you can hear the wind. It's, yeah. So I think here it looks much better. Works well. About the book, the more I read it, the more I like it. At the moment it's definitely 5 stars, although it's quite a lot left to read. I'm at page 200 and something, and it's, I don't know, I think about 400 or 500 pages. Let me see how much page. Oh, almost 600, so I'm just in the beginning, but I like it a lot. So I don't know if I update you more today. If not, then I see you tomorrow or a little bit later. Good evening.
Hello.
So I will go and read, and Aurimas I think will go and play play a little bit. This week I read only this one book, and like I said, I love it. So I hope to finish that next week. What else? I think there's nothing much to update you on, except that we were almost all day at home. Finally, it began to rain today, so it's a lot easier to breathe. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!